Welcome to Nexustec, a Munich-based software company with solutions for the manual industrial production. We will present you the key benefits of our system Trimiti, its technology behind the provided 3D assurance, and the advantages for companies and their workers in the industrial environment. Our system Trimiti allows for the companies manual work with Industry 4.0 paradigms. And our system Trimiti allows for the worker to be natural in his working environment. We are a diverse team of enthusiastic software developers with a vision and passion for technology. We excel in industrial production and software engineering. This is a unique combination because it covers all the relevant knowledge. We ensure good quality for our products by deploying and commissioning them at the customer's site. Our team is based in Munich. We are a young company and we have already received certification for our quality management according to ISO 9001. Our team is extremely committed to delivering high-quality products and services to our customers. That's where our software Trimiti comes in, acting as a link between Industry 4.0 and manual processes, ultimately digitizing the field of industrial manufacturing. We strive to achieve first-time right production. This means that once you have implemented our system, your manual production process flows will become stable. We provide quality work that eliminates both rework and scrap. Once this stability has been established, you will achieve cost reductions and it enchases your sustainability credits and goals. We already have a strong track record of delivering successful projects, especially in the automotive industry with steel and tool OEMs. This demonstrates that we have a good background and a solid understanding of what we can offer to our customers today. What can Trimiti do for you? Our system is simple in principle. Industry 4.0 typically includes electronic and digitized devices. That means sensors, robotic production, and digitized process control. Once manual processes are part of the workflow, the productive system loses control about present progress. Manual work happens like hidden, invisible activities. As a result, there is a gap that must be addressed. Here, Trimiti comes in as the needed gap filler. Trimiti provides all the relevant information to make manual work as a part of an Industry 4.0 environment. The strengths of Trimiti are based on three elementary columns. First, it provides automated process control with focus on all sub-events and their technical dependencies. Second, and based on these abilities, Trimiti generates data points. These meet the big data requirements of modern industrial systems and professional workflows. Third, Trimiti can easily integrate all kinds of electronic and mechanical devices via various interfaces or by special detecting features. All the events that occur between check-in and check-out are not always clear to quality control systems. Finally, Trimiti contributes the required quality assurance as a digitized two-eyes principle. Our solution gives certain support. It is the foundation for making manual work comply with Industry 4.0 paradigms and enhance the Industrial Internet of Things (IIoT). The setup of Trimiti is brief and straightforward. We have a Linux-based computer that works in conjunction with cameras and various other sensors. It also provides various human-machine interface (HMI) options, such as a screen, a touchscreen, or touchpad connected to support and to inform workers about present state of their workflows. This creates a collaboration between the software and the worker, allowing the worker to concentrate on valuable work steps. In short, Trimiti is a worker guidance system and a quality assurance suite. Trimiti assists in assessing and avoiding errors that can occur, especially during an 8-hour non-stop workday. Finally, we have the entire process flow analyzed and understood by the system and the worker. This combination ensures that everything is completed in proper order. In these 3 pictures, you can see how Trimiti can be used in specific workflows, such as the screw fastening process, or as an assembly assistant, or as a commissioning check. Trimiti has a vast range of applications, which we shall elaborate on further. There are several benefits for your productions when using Trimiti. The most significant is cost savings. The system detects whether the worker is following the correct assembly workflow, which allows us to assist them during their work or not. If a mistake is made, our system is capable of showing the worker what went wrong. Our focus is solely on the product, and we provide guided training on the product. For colleagues who are new to the production flow, the system provides assurance that there won't be any incorrect assemblies. This, in turn, leads to a reduction in scrap, faulty production, and follow-up inspections of your stock. Those who have worked in this industry know the potential for things to go wrong during a workday. Our system prevents these issues from occurring. We understand that there are always concerns about data storage, especially when it comes to production data. However, we store all the data on an industrial computer that remains at your location. This ensures that you have exclusive access to any data. Our software guarantees personal data protection, and no data storage is required, which makes Trimiti GDPR compliant. Otherwise, we have technical solutions to support your wish of picture storage as a proof for your customers. Trimiti is modular in both hardware and software, which means that you can customize your applications. This eliminates the need for updates when introducing new products. Also, Trimiti offers a variety of other features that are dependent on the specific case being analyzed. For example, Trimiti is capable of surface characteristics, color, and size, ensuring correct sequencing and placement of parts in the right order and position. Trimiti detects issues and ensures that there is a proper flow. Hence, the worker is guided on the next steps, either in the regular production or when a working step was made incorrectly. As mentioned earlier, our primary focus is on achieving first-time right production. We strive to ensure that workflows are executed correctly, with manual work being thoroughly monitored and guided. Trimiti is capable of automatically transferring data for ERP MES, making it a powerful tool for digitization in Industry 4.0. Trimiti offers significant cost savings, with the investment typically paid back within the first year per working station. With our software's modular design, Trimiti will remain a relevant, valuable tool for the long term.